All right. So we are live, and I'm going to be going over the second part of your math homework. So it says name each quadrilateral. So A is a diamond. And we'll write that down here. And B is a parallelogram. And C is a rhombus. And E is a rectangle. F is a square. And D is a kite. I forgot to put H. Sorry about that. We're going to come back to some of those. And we'll just be right back, give you some time to look at those. All right, we're back. Just give you some time to write those down. So, I'm sorry, C is actually a trapezoid. So we'll go back here. So C is a trapezoid. D is a kite. E is a rectangle. F is a square. And H is a kite. And G is a trapezoid. So it's asking us to list the attributes of the quadrilateral. So G has no parallel sides. And E has 2 parallel sides and 2 perpendicular, and so does F. Sorry, I'm just going to erase a little bit here. So I believe these are sorted into have parallel sides. And this has perpendicular sides. And this has both parallel and perpendicular sides. So A is a rhombus, B is a parallelogram, C is a trapezoid, and it has 1 set of parallel sides. And that's our symbol for parallel, is 2 railroad tracks. D is a kite. And because it's a kite, it has adjacent sides, or sides that are beside each other. And E is a rectangle. It has 2 parallel and 2 perpendicular sides. F is a square. It has all equal sides. And I think G is a trapezoid, but it's a weird one. I think it's just a quadrilateral, like a general quadrilateral. I don't think it has a specific name because it has no parallel sides, and the trapezoid has to have parallel sides. So I know that above we put G as a trapezoid. I think that's wrong. I think this is just a quadrilateral. I don't think it's a trapezoid because trapezoid is supposed to have at least one set of parallel sides. All right, moving down to the next part. Use square or triangular dot paper. Draw each shape. Draw a rectangle. Okay, got it. There's a rectangle. Draw a square. 2. And then it wants me to draw a trapezoid. So we have a square, a trapezoid, we have a rectangle, and then we have a rhombus. So a rhombus is a square that's been tilted. I'm trying to draw it exactly as I can. So that's a rhombus. And a parallelogram. Is this. And a kite. That's a kite. And now I have to draw another quadrilateral that is different than the shapes in A. So I'm going to draw another trapezoid. So this is for question B. All right, for each object below, how many parallel faces? Well, this is a hexagonal prism, and this is a rectangular prism, so that's going to help us a lot. Okay. So how many parallel faces does it have? Well, I believe the top and bottom are parallel. And then these opposite parts here on the other side would be parallel. So it depends which way you're flipping it. Let's just say 2. Let's say the top and bottom. And it depends on which way you've turned the box. And for the for the rectangular prism, how many perpendicular faces? Well, we have, that's perpendicular. And then the other side. And then the bottom. So the top and the right is one set. So that's one. And the bottom and the right is another. The bottom and this end is one, and the top and this end. The bottom and that end. So there are 6. I believe there are 6 perpendicular faces. How many horizontal faces? There's 2 in each. How many vertical faces? 6 and 4. Question 8 says, look at geometric classrooms in your home or school. Identify an object with the attributes shown below. Use square, triangular, dot paper, draw the object. So it asks you to draw an object with 2 pairs of parallel edges and no vertical edges. So that will be your job at home. And an object with 2 horizontal faces and 4 vertical faces. Okay. So that's going to be 2B will be a rectangular prism. Because we have 2, whoopsie. We have 2 horizontal faces. I'm going to redraw that. So 2 horizontal faces and the other 4 vertical. So I hope that helps. Thank you.